Hi, this is János, it's VOTT Audio, and it's time to talk about the voice of Lancelot again, and namely, let's see, Kintaro here, about that audio asylum thread on the voice of Lancelot speakers. And as you guys know, I made a follow-up video for that, and even before the video came out, I wrote a kind message onto that thread that, hey guys, there will be this video coming out in a few hours, please watch and comment if you want. And even now, this is a couple of days later, and I checked the forum, I haven't received a single response for follow-up for that. Actually, I'm really happy about it because I don't have to keyboard warrior, and that's really good. But it was a little bit unexpected that people are so verbal behind my back. But that's how it is, keyboard jockeys. And however, now I want to talk about something nice. Torsten of Snakehole Audio, he commented something very important onto this video that I'm going to read it out aloud. People tend to forget with the voice of the theater, it is not only that it's huge, but the drivers are really far apart from each other. So you cannot listen to them near field. You need some distance, or you angle the horn, and then you have to lock your head in place. So what's that angle the horn? So it's like the horns are facing straight, and then you angle the horn downwards so that it points you at your chair, but then you cannot move around. If you go up or down, then it's not happening. Then the image starts to fall apart. So then you really get stuck in the chair like in a vice, and you cannot move with your head. It's a very nasty, uncomfortable experience. So either you do that if you are close quarters to the voice of the theater, and for them close quarters means like 10 feet away from them. It's still close quarters. Or you need some distance. So voice of the theater is extremely cool, and I have to add that I absolutely love voice of the theater speakers. They are truly amazing and fun, and if my buddies who have them invite me to have a listen, I'm always up for that. It's just absolutely fantastic. But in my opinion, you need at least 4, better 5 meters of distance, roughly 3 times in feet. So that's like 14 to 17, 18 feet at least. So like 15 feet or more, basically. And an additional 1 meter, better 2 meters from your listening position to the back wall. So you need a really big room. And that's just not happening for many people, and especially here in Hawaii. Here real estate is at crazy prices. So if you go to Nebraska or Texas, you get villas for a few $100,000, maybe like at Texas you get a huge mansion for like $200,000. Here you want to buy the same thing, it's like $5 million. And here for $500,000 you get a tiny thing. And so here in Hawaii, voice of the theater is not working. It's only working in the theater. So people's homes, you need something what Ondar Indurkar, he has had a really genius idea here. He said that VOL could be also abbreviated as voice of living room. So here you would need a voice of living room, something that's compatible with a real life size living room. And yep, and he says, as you said, it's designed for your living room, and the voice of the theater was designed for the theater. Yep. So, and then and many people just don't even understand the meaning before commenting on forums or anywhere. Ignore these keyboard warriors, mate. You did excellent job and you are a gem, my friend. share it with the world. Thank you, Andar, and I think I will really take up your recommendation for Voice of Living Room for the wall, and I think that that's just really amazing. Voice of Lancelot or Voice of Living Room, that's what it is. So thank you. Coming back to Torsten's post. Oh, actually, I have finished it. So that's very finished with the distances, and I think that that's really critical. And basically that was why I tried out these drivers in a different configuration to make them work in a smaller space. And I think I hit jackpot with them. And it's not just me. All my friends who listen to them, they get super duper excited about them. And these are friends who are familiar with the Voice of the Theater speakers. So it's not that they never heard it and they are hearing something second best and now I think it's good, but you don't have any idea about what the real deal is. No, they know really well what the real deal is and still are super duper excited about them. So anyway, what else? I think for this video, let this be it. And thank you guys and girls for tagging along. And for the next episodes, what I want to do, I will find it. So please like, subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.